What's going on, everybody? My name is Marissa, and in this video, I'm going to talk about my Builderall results from my first 30 days in business as an affiliate for Builderall. So you guys are going to want to stay tuned because I also have something I'm going to show you that's actually I'm working on right now to help build my business and also build my Builderall affiliate business, and how you guys can also take advantage and duplicate what I'm doing and what I'm testing. So stay tuned. Alright guys, welcome back to the video, and if you are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. I welcome you with open arms, and if you're a loyal subscriber and returning to the channel, thank you so much for your support. And if you're new to the channel, what you can expect on this channel here is me teaching you how to make money online, and whether you're a beginner, newbie, intermediate marketer, whatever it is, there's something for you on this channel because I'm talking about affiliate marketing, e-commerce, sales funnels, email marketing. So if any of that is your jam and you think will help you, and I talk about all different types of topics related to that, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, because right now I'm posting very consistently and you won't want to miss any of my content. All right, guys? So give this video a big thumbs up if you guys are ready and excited to see how I was able to generate $4,000 with just promoting this one product called Builderall within 30 days. I mean, that was pretty cool. I wasn't expecting to do that much in commissions, but I did it. And so I'm going to show you guys a little bit of income proof on my commissions, and then I'm also going to talk about how I'm going to use Builderall as a sales tool to increase revenue in my affiliate marketing business, and then give you guys some tips and hints on how you can do the same for yours, okay? So let's go ahead and dive right into the content of today, and let's go to my business, Builderall business, and we'll go to my earnings, okay? And as a disclaimer, like, I've been an affiliate marketer, an online marketer for some time, so when I got into affiliate marketing this year, it was easy for me because I had skills that I learned last year from e-commerce, and e-commerce, in my opinion, is way harder than affiliate marketing. There's so many moving parts, but I understood sales funnels, I understood driving traffic, I understood that you had to build a brand. So if you guys, think about those key things as you're building your your affiliate marketing business, and whether you're promoting Builderall or another affiliate product, those are important components, okay? Be patient. It's going to come, all right? So keep pushing. So as you can see, this all adds up to about just under $4,000. I have, I think, 80 sales. And so as you know, with the Builderall affiliate program, you get 100% commissions up front and 30% recurring commissions after that. So I have 80 tier 1 sales, and I have 15 tier 2 sales. So it's actually, today is actually, at the making of this video, it's August 30th, and I started promoting Builderall August 6th. So it hasn't even been 30 days yet. So I will probably hit over $4,000 by the time I hit 30 days exactly on September 6th, which is in a week from now. So it's been about just under 4 weeks for these Builderall results. Okay, so I've done a ton of video, well, not a ton, like 3, you guys can check those out. But I've done videos already on the Builderall affiliate program, so I'll leave the links up here and also in the description. But what I wanted to drag your attention to is a tool that I'm going to use to build up, to promote another offer that I promote. And I'm going to talk about exactly how I'm going to do it, and you guys can follow along and start implementing it into your own business, because people have, messaged me, and I've messaged in the mastermind group that you get access to as a bonus if you were to sign up on my team. If you're new to this video and are thinking about joining with somebody, people have been talking about how, difficult the program is, and it's complicated, and they're having trouble. And I'm like, you know what? Hey, I'm right there with you, and I'm no smarter than you. I just for every new system that I learn, for any new sales funnel builder that I learn, it takes time. You're going to fail. You're going to screw up. Deal with it. Okay. Just go back to the drawing board, contact support on your own, because by messing up and having things, you need to retweak within your funnels, that is how you're going to learn how to use the system. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to test a survey funnel. And guess what, guys? I'm actually going to invest in paid advertising. I'm going to be using a solo ad to test this survey funnel. So I'm going to build out a survey funnel, okay? And survey funnels nowadays are very, very powerful because it gets people to commit to joining your list, and it gets people to spark their interest way more than just using a regular landing page and opting in. And that is why I advise you start using survey funnels in your business. Okay, and this is actually a huge reason I got Builderall, because this was a reason that I was still hanging on to ClickFunnels for. I was paying for the $19.99 share funnel program with ClickFunnels specifically for this reason, because they had survey funnel templates. But now you can do it right here in Builderall, and it's included in your subscription. So, I'm not going to edit the funnel right now because it's something I have to dig my hands into, roll my sleeves up. But, don't be intimidated by this template. It's the same thing. You edit text, you edit colors, you can rearrange things the way you want them to be seen on the funnel. Okay, so when the funnel loads, this is what it looks like. Okay, so you have, your steps, and you could add a step or subtract a step if you want. But one thing I did want to mention is I actually had to add a thank you page, because when you open this funnel, that thank you page right here is not there. It's just not there. So what you have to do is make sure you come and add it. And this is how I added it. You come here to my layouts, and then you can see what the entire funnel looks like. And as you can see, I already added it. Please note that. But it's easy. You can add any type of page you want to any type of funnel. And what I did was I simply came here and went to sales funnel. I like these video templates that they have. It has a video and a button where I can put my affiliate link to whatever offer I want. Okay. So then you just select the page, click add, and boom, it's in your funnel. So you just go through the funnel, edit it, edit the titles and what it says right here for people to go through. And then once they get to step 3, it says to continue, put in your name and email. So the psychology behind a survey funnel is more powerful because people are already committing to answering your questions. So let's talk about how, once I have my funnel built and it's ready to go, I am going to use this here in this tool called Mailing Boss, which is Builderall's email marketing platform. It's a built-in autoresponder, okay? So when you click on it, it goes here to Mailing Boss. And as you can see, I have no subscribers on my list because I haven't been using this yet, but I plan to build this funnel out completely from scratch and get subscribers to a new list from scratch. Because as you guys may know, I'm using another platform right now that has all my funnels, all my subscribers on my list, and it is a big pain in the butt to switch everything over to a brand new platform. Like, that's just how it is when you've been using something for a while. But as a case study for me and to test this out for myself and my business, and also to share with you guys, I'm going to do this from scratch so that you guys can learn along as I'm going. So I plan to create a brand new list, connect it to the survey funnel, and here's my bigger overall picture, you guys. So as you can see, this is my survey funnel that I was drawing out for you, or that I showed you on the last slide, okay? And what I plan to do is create different versions of the funnel and test them all out. And as I mentioned, I'm doing paid traffic. I'm doing solo ads, and I'm going to spend and reinvest the money and the commissions I've been making into paid traffic. I love solo ads. I think they're a great source of traffic. And yes, I will be using Udemy, udimi.com, to be looking, or to invest into paid traffic, okay? So one thing I'm going to do, and nobody's going to tell you this because it's, a secret, so you're welcome. It's not really a secret, but it's just something you don't learn at a beginning stage in your career. But I'm going to tell you eventually down the line you'll have to do this. But if you're new, don't worry about doing it just yet. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to create 4 different versions of my survey funnel. I have here headlines, colors, calls to action. I'm going to switch up some of those on different pages of the funnel. And let's say I order 800 clicks worth of a solo ad. What I'm going to do is equally divide it and send different clicks to each funnel. So I'm going to send 200 clicks to this version, 200 to this version, 200 to this version 3, and 200 more to the last version, okay? And what that's going to do is it's going to let me know which survey funnel optimizes best. Excuse me. So it's going to tell me what survey has the highest opt-in rate, okay? And that's going to give me a clue on which ones that I'm going to use from now on, because obviously you want to use the highest converting funnel possible, and you want to even test it beyond that. Take that winning funnel and narrow it down to the T with different colors, fonts. All right, so get it as perfect as possible. So then they're going to go through this funnel. They're going to see my thank you page. They're also going to get email marketing follow-ups, okay? Now, I wanted to stress this more so because I'm going to have a 7-day follow-up series to my subscribers, okay? Because people usually don't buy on the first sight of an offer. And that's why you have to have a solid foundation and knowledge of sales funnels, but it's equally as important to know what you're doing on the email marketing side. Now, if you guys are interested in a completely free webinar on email marketing, my trusted friend and business partner, Chad Bartlett, who is a super affiliate with both Builderall and other affiliate offers, he leads with value. I can't commend him enough on how much value he provides to the community, but he is going to host a free email marketing webinar that goes over these foundational tools that you need to understand in depth. So if you guys are interested in that, go ahead and look for that link in the description. It'll say email marketing webinar. Go ahead and click on it. You'll see the host, Chad Bartlett, and just sign up for that. And I hope you guys get some nuggets out of that webinar. It's a really, really, really good webinar. So, and of course, if you guys were interested in joining Builderall through my link and my team, I offer some mega bonuses that you can also check out in the links in the description. It'll be right there. It'll say my Builderall bonuses. Just click on it and check it out to see what there is that I offer. All right. So hopefully this video gave you some good insight and you enjoyed it. My name is Marissa Romero. Again, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up if you got any value from it at all. And that's it. I will see you guys on the next video. Take care.